Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this time, I want to make a video presentation from my paper. For the first, I want to introduce myself. My name is Aulia Rifaran Purwana. I am a student from Faculty of Law at Nusa Putra University. I took the title First Defense because I want to know more about Nodware or First Defense, and so that I and the audience know the limitation and condition that can make this self-defense justifiable and not criminal. Indonesia is a state of law. This is in accordance with the explanation of the 1945 Constitution of the Republic of Indonesia in Article 1, Paragraph 3, which stipulates that the state of Indonesia is a state of law. In this presentation, I will discuss the methods I use in my research. The research method used is a qualitative descriptive research method with a normative legal approach to examine the limits of self-defense that are justified in law as well as the requirements for proportionality and subsidiarity requirements in first defense. I will also discuss Article 49 of the Criminal Code which describes first defense. Then about limitations in self-defense, and the last one is about the proportionality condition and the subsidiarity condition. First, qualitative descriptive research, namely research based on a comprehensive pictures with an emphasis on in-depth explanation based on statutory regulations. Second, normative legal research is carried out seeing a juridical review in the form of statutory regulations. And third, this research uses books, journals, and newspapers to support this analysis. The first, the concept of first defense in the criminal code. First defense in legal doctrine is also referred to as nodware. The word node means emergency, while the word ware means device. So, literally the word nodware can be interpreted as a device carried out in emergency. In the criminal code, there is an explanation that is a person cannot be sentenced for his actions that are against the law. The explanation is contained in Article 49, Paragraph 1 of the Criminal Code, which reads, "Not being punished, whoever commits an act of force device of himself or for another person, moral honor or property for himself or for another person." Because there is an attack or threat of attack that is very close at the time which is against the law. Article 49, Paragraph 1 explains that a person who is forced to commit a crime can be forgiven or in the sense of not being punished because there is an attack violating the law that present the criminal act. The word attack in Article 49, Paragraph 1 of the Criminal Code above does not always have to be interpreted as an act of violence. The word attack in Article 49, Paragraph 1 of the Criminal Code is actually an act that harm the legal interest of another person on his body or including life, honor, and on his assets in the form of object. The second, limitation in self-defense in Article 49, Paragraph 1, it can be concluded that a person is justified in self-defense or first defense in he fulfills the following conditions. There must be an attack, but not all attack can be carried out in self-defense. The attack must meet the following requirements. 1. The attack should come threatening suddenly or instantly. If there is not immediate attack, then the act of self-defense committed is an act that is against the law. This is because self-defense is only allowed if an attack has actually occurred or is strongly suspected to occur. 2. The attack must be against the law. If the act is not against the law, that the defense or rejection may not be carried out. 3. The attack must threaten three kinds of legal interest, such a legal interest in self, honor, and destiny, and legal interest regarding property or material. 3. Self-defense must be first. Self-defense to be concluded as a first defense within the meaning of Article 49, Paragraph 1 of the Criminal Code must be carried out. So, self-defense is not first defense, but self-defense must be first. The third, the term of proportionality and the term of subsidiary. A defense can only be said To be first, it is pulpis to condition, namely the requirement for proportionality or balance and the condition for subsidiarity. The first, term of proportionality or balance. The requirement for proportionality or balance means that the interests of others who are sacrificed in the defense must be in balance with the interests that are protected. And the second, term of subsidiary. Subsidiary terms mean that the defense must be carried out in the lightest way or subsidiary. Exceeding the subsidiary requirement can only be accepted in the case of a notary expressed as stipulated in Article 49, Paragraph 2 of the Criminal Code. Conclusion 1. The regulation on first device or notary in Article 49, Paragraph 1 of the Criminal Code as a reason for eliminating criminal act is a defense against attack against the law against oneself, the honor or morality or one's own property or that of others, by not including honor in the sense of a good name and home security into interests that can be defined to first defense. 2. The requirement of proportionality means that the interests of others who are scientific in the defense must be balanced with the interests that are protected. And the condition of subsidiarity means that the defense must be carried out in the lightest way or subsidiary. Regarding the term of subsidiarity, there is a difference of opinion between legal experts whether to plea is the lightest way or not. However, in decision of the Supreme Court, it was accepted that there was a first defense because the defendant had tried to run away, so that he was finally in a position where he could no longer escape, and the defendant's action which later managed to seize one of the knives held by the victim and turned to stab at the victim was a fourth device. And the last suggestions: 1. Home security should be included as one of the interests that can be defined using the basis of first defense according to Article 49, Paragraph 1 of the Criminal Code. And 2. It should be emphasized in the Criminal Code that escaping, if it can be done without endangering oneself, is the lightest method or a subsidiary that must be used. Maybe that's all I can present. Sorry for all the mistakes in this video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.